Hello everybody, today I'm gonna change the engine air filter on my Mercedes-Benz W169 A-Class, at least on the A150. That's a quite simple task. I've already opened the hood before, and the only tool required now is a 20 Torx bit to undo those two screws underneath the engine control unit. Obviously it's mounted on the air filter housing to prevent it from getting too hot. I should now be able to flip this out of the way, trying not to bend the wiring harnesses all that much. And here's our air filter mounted inside the bracket. This tab must be pushed down and it tilts forward. Voila, the filter insert now simply drops out, and in my case it's a good idea to get it replaced. Those portions fit into two slots at the bottom of the air filter housing, but as long as you don't try to put it in here, it's no way to get it wrong, just drops in. That said, let's insert the new filter. You may want to get this outer portion inside the frame all around, which is a little tricky. And now let's put this whole assembly back as shown before. The ceiling portion faces towards the cabin. And now it's back in. There's a seal in between the filter housing and the ECU. This was sticking on the metal, but actually belongs here into this groove. So let's put this back to prevent it from getting distorted. Those portions obviously shall hold the filter assembly in place as well, since there's a lot of tension on that, as shown before. Let's finally put the screws back in. Mission accomplished. I just found out, by the way, that I chose the OE manufacturer for my replacement part. If I could help you out with this video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. See you back. Goodbye.